Tuk-Tuk QR Code CL Lock turns any smartphones into your personal key with Tuk-Tuk QR Code CL Lock. The latest QR code scanning technology along with touchpad locking system. Extensively accepted and guarantee for your safety. CL Lock application is available across both Android and iOS platform. Fully equipped for user to easily organize and generating QR code within application. Password can be set from 4 up to 16 digits. The delusive password function also provided for highest security. Comes with 2 modes. Public mode, supervisor can create admin up to 3 accounts and unlimited user accounts. And private mode, the system can support users up to 10 accounts. To unlock with QR code, open the generated QR code on your smartphone and hold it near the lock. The lock will accurately scan QR code. Tuk-Tuk QR Code CL Lock can be easily installed on a variety of surfaces, whether it be wooden, steel, or glass. Comes with low battery sound notification. The lock requires only 4 AAA batteries for functioning. In case of emergency, the lock has USB port to connect with power bank and also has emergency key, which can be used to unlock without any password. Battery tray can be adhering on steel surface by magnet or only 2 screws for wooden surface. The most secure highest technology combines with superior lock system. Another step with QR code scanning lock system in your hand. Tuk-Tuk QR Code CL Lock by Cyberlock.